Hey, what's up? My brows, or lack thereof. Hey guys, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So I literally just walked in the house from Walmart and I picked up this, first of all, today's video is going to be a first impression Friday. Second of all, I picked up this Revlon Colorstay Brow Tint and I figured I may as well just go ahead and do a video on this. Today is June 22nd. You guys aren't going to see this video until next week because I already have a first impression Friday scheduled for today. Ew, excuse me. But when I looked on YouTube to see if there's any videos on this, there are literally none. So either this video is gonna go well or it's gonna flop. We'll see. So anyway, at Walmart, this was $7 and $7. Anyway, at Walmart, this was $7.97. There were 4 different shades. There was taupe, soft brown, dark brown, which is what I got, and then soft black. I don't know, black kind of scared me, so went with dark brown. Hopefully this one works out. Basically, it just says that this is waterproof. It wears up to 24 hours. There's a precise tip. An easy all-day alternative to microblading. Listen, if I could afford microblading, I would be in that bitch because as you can see, I have no brows. So my bald browedness is because that's how I was born. I did not abuse my eyebrows. That's not the reason why I am bald browed. So, you know, if you're out there abusing your eyebrows currently, stop. How dare you? I'm suffering, okay? And you have all those luscious brow hairs. Enough. So this is what the product looks like. It looks kind of like a eyeliner. By the time you guys are seeing this video, I'll have a fill-in. Okay, don't come for me. Yeah, it looks like a eyeliner basically. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm wondering if I should put some alcohol or something on my brows. You know what? No. We're not gonna do that. So it says for a precise natural look to draw a clean line outlining your brow and then lightly fill in brow with feathery hair-like strokes, and then it says fill in more for added drama. So the consistency is very watery. Like this is super liquidy. And I can already tell that this is not a good color for me. I should have gotten the soft black. But also I feel like this wouldn't be a particular product that's good for my type of brows anyway, just based on the fact that I don't really have hairs. I think this is a product that would be better if, you know, you just needed a little filling in versus, you know, needing to make an entire brow. Because as you can see on this tail area, it's not doing anything for me. Sorry, I'm holding my phone because it's connected to my camera and I want to see like what you guys see. And like it's patchy up here in the front and it's patchy back here. The color actually isn't too bad. Oh, my shape is terrible. But I can just tell that this isn't the product for me because I do not have enough brow hairs for this to kind of like grip onto, if that makes sense. And so yeah. Okay, so I decided to do this one just to see if I can get it a little bit better than I did with this one. I know they're two different shapes. We're not here to talk about the shapes. We're here to talk about the product. So I do think that this one looks a little better as far as like the flicks, the hair like strokes look a little bit better. But as you can see, it's still like it's patchy. Do you see those in what's supposed to be like my tail area? Because I don't have any freaking hair. It's patchy. So yeah, I don't think this product is for people like me that don't have no hairs. This one has been on for a while, so I'm gonna like rub to see if anything comes off. Doesn't look like anything does, because that's one of my major issues, is because it is summertime. I am a like total face sweater, and sometimes I forget, and there goes my brow. There goes my brow. So I think that this would at least be good for sweaty people like me, but not particularly for me because, you know, the lack of hairs. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up so more people can see it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.